Good girl. Okay, so we got the presents from Elsa, Momo, and David. Uncle David. Okay, so take one and give it to Elliot. Yeah, that one's for Elliot. Okay, and that one's for you. Okay, let's move all these boxes. Okay.
This is ours.
That's yours, yeah.
Elliot and Ovid.
And Alyssa's.
It's
Let's
not our
open.
birthday. Mine first.
This is your birthday present. Yeah, yours first. Good. What is it? Can you see?
It's a towel.
It's a towel? I don't think so. I think it's a special scarf. I think. Is it a towel? Wait, what is it? Yeah, let me see what this is. Oh, it's a hood! It's a big funny hat! Isn't that pretty?
It's too soft.
No, it's just right for you. You wanna try and see? No, it's a hat, it's a hood. Look, Elliot's opening his.
What is it? Let's see. Look,
Wow!
it's a black one.
Yay!
What happened? You're trying to open it?
Good
Yeah.
job! Yay!
It's like a hay.
It's a special hat. You wanna try it?
No.
Huh?
No. What's you? Titi. Titi. I want to read this.
You do? Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Let me help you with that, okay? There you go. Okay, let me help you with this. Let me try this pretty hat on. Ready? There you are! Isn't that nice? What a nice hat! You're so cute. Hey, you wanna try? No? And then you can take it up, pull it back. Do you like it? Good! You like it? Say thank you, Como.
Thank you, Como.
Say thank you, Como Boo.
Thank you, Como Boo.
That's Uncle David. Say thank you, Uncle David.
Thank you, Uncle David.
Good job. High five. Good, huh? This one? Let's see if we can get Elliot to wear his.
Uncle.
Yeah? Let's see. Where did it go? Oh no, it fell down. Let's put it on.
No.
Oh no, you don't want to put it on. Okay. Maybe when you're in a better mood. Okay, thanks Zelda. Thanks David.